Okay, in this lecture, we're going to be talking about escape sequences. Escape sequences in Java are special characters that are preceded by a backslash but have a special meaning, have a specific meaning for the compiler. Now, the most common escape sequences are \t. So \t will insert a tab, like spaces between the string and the next, and whatever comes after the escape sequence \t. And then we have \p, insert a backspace. \n, insert a new line. This is just like a print line that we learned about. So this allows you to start a new line after this escape sequence. And then we have also \single quote, allows you to insert a single quote. And then \double quote, one more time, it allows you to insert a double quote. And then finally, 2 backslashes allows you to insert 1 backslash. So we're going to have an example about this. So let's say we have a statement, give me a fish. Now, instead of starting a new line, we can use backslash. So backslash, not forward slash, t. So this combination of these two characters, backslash and t, so they have to be both. So the backslash followed by t. So t by itself cannot just like a regular character, and then backslash by itself cannot do anything. So you have to have a combination of both. So this will allow you to have a tab. So for example, if I tap now, I will survive for 1 day. So I survive for 1 day will be separated from give me a fish with the tab. So let's build it and run it and see how the statements will look like. See now, can you see like there is a tab between them? Okay. Now let's say I want to start a new line. Okay. So if you want to start a new line, I can just use \n. So \n allows me to start while continuing to use the same statement. So \10. So I'm going to teach me how to fish. So now \n will allow me to start a new line. So if I run the program, so teach me how to fish. Okay, I need to add me, teach me, will be in the second line, as you can see. Why? Because I'm using \n, and \n is the same thing as starting a new line. Just teach me how to fish. Okay. Show me how to fish. Now I can use another statement here. Okay. I will live for a lifetime. Okay. Okay, now what about if I want to use something like this? He told me that I am nice. Now I want nice to be between double quotation. So if I put this, double quotation. Okay. So if I put it like this, what's going to happen? If I build it, I'm going to have an error. Why? Because when you put double quotations surrounding nice, Java or the compiler might understand that this quotation is the closing of the first one. That means you have a quotation without an opening one. So there will be a confusion. So to avoid this confusion, we use a \. That means this is a special character where I'm not trying to end the statement, because when you put this double quote before n, so the compiler understood it as the closing of the first one. So which means that the ending, the one after nice, there is no opening for it. So that's why we have a problem. We have an error. So we need to use \n for both of them. That means this is a special character. I'm not trying to end the statement. I'm just trying to insert a special character, in this case a double quote. So here, that's going to solve the problem. So when you build it, as you can see, there is no error. Okay. Now, what about if I want to type something like this? I want to explain what does \n means. So I'm going to put, let's say, \n means start new line. Now, if I try to build and run the program, okay, so that will start a new line. I don't want to do that. I just want to print that statement, that \n. I want it to be printed. I'm trying to define what \n means, but the compiler understood it as an escape sequence. So it will start new line and then type only means start new line, but it will not show \n. So how can I tell the compiler, no, I'm not trying to start new line. I'm just trying to type this. So to enforce the compiler to type \n, you need to add another backslash. So two backslashes will give you one backslash, and it will be like a normal character. N will be just like a normal character. So now you're going to see like \n means start a new line. So there are some situations when you have to use escape sequences because they solve certain problems when you are typing or you want to print in or displaying some statements. So this is basically the most important escape sequences you need to focus on. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.